Alright, finally got that VCO. Finally got this thing recapped and aligned. I don't know what's been happening lately with the post office, but seems like it comes and goes in cycles of, normal shipping and then, where the hell's my package shipping? But, alright, well, anyway, we got this radio fixed. Let's see what we got for transmit power now. Audio. Sorry, it's a little dark in here, guys. Working late. Let's do lower sideband. Audio. And just the right round where it's supposed to be. Upper sideband. Audio. Sorry guys, that was AM. Audio. Alright. You know what I'm trying to do? Bring that carrier down a little bit. Just a hair. But man, it's looking better already. Yeah, so I'm sure the customer's going to be happy. So we got this on channel 19. Right on frequency. Look at that beauty. All right. Perfect. Let's get to the receive now. See what's going on with the receive portion of this this radio. All right, guys, got the receive alignment done on it. Sorry about the tone, but so obviously you can hear it. I got 1,000 hertz tone going through her. That you can see here, minus 110. And we got a synad of just a little bit better than minus 12. We got minus 11 or so. So that's pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. So yeah, again, sorry about the tone. So this is the last video for this radio. Finally got everything I needed shipped to me, so that way I can get this thing back to the customer, and yeah, sure he's going to be happy. Hold on, let me shut this tone off here. There we go. It's a little better. Yeah, so transmitting on frequency. We got full power back. New VCO. Recap. Full transceiver alignment. This radio is good to go. Good to go, guys. Thanks for watching. This is the last video for this radio. And yeah, I'm sure the customer is going to be happy to get this one back. Thanks for watching, guys.